Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys this very beautiful celestial compass. This was designed by Christy, 7284 Christy on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube now. So make sure to check her accounts. So to make this bracelet, you will need a hook. You will need a double-ended hook for this design, and you will need a clip, or a C-clip or an easy clip, or it doesn't matter which clip, and you also need some bands. So to make it easier, I'm going to use the exact same color with this one here, so you guys will know which one is which part. Okay, let's just get started. Grab your hook, and then you want to grab this cap band color here, and then you want to grab these two color here, which is white and blue. This grabbing my white, make a cap band on your hook, make a figure 8 like so, and then grab two bands, which is blue and white for me. This is baby blue fairy. Okay, loop these two bands, pull it through the cap band, and just close like so. And then you wanna loop a fishtail, 3 fishtails on each side. So it's going to be this 1, 2, and 3, as well as the other side. So for me, I start with baby blue fairy again. You wanna pull it through the first 2 loops because we wanna make a fishtail. You wanna pick up the outer one and close, and then you wanna do that 2 more times. And my next color will be this hot pink and ocean pearl. Pull it through the first 2 loops again, pick up the outer one and close, and last one, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. And you want to do the exact same thing to this other side. So slide it down again, 3 fishtails. So my first one is going to be this blue, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close, grab 2 more bands, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close, and last one, pull it through the first 2 loops and pick up just the outer one and close. Okay, you should have this on your hook now. If you're doing it correctly, you should have 10 loops equally like this. And now you can grab the inner one, the inner band here, just this pink for me. Grab a band, pull it through the first 9 loops, just leave this last one here, pull it through the first 9 loops, and you want to pick up the center 4 loops. So this is the center 2, which means you need to grab this one, and these 2, and this one. Alright, and then you want to pick up the very outer one and close. Okay, and then you want to rearrange this one to the outside like this. Next, you want to grab another pink like this one. It's going to be this one here. Pull it through the first 6 loops. So pull it to this point here. Okay, then you want to pick up just the center two loops, and you want to pick up that pink loop back onto your hook and the very last loop and close. Okay, now you want to rearrange these two loops to the outside. Like so. Okay, you should have this on your hook now. Next, you want to grab purple. It's going to be this purple and this one. Grab a purple, pull it through just the first 3 loops. Okay, and then you want to pick up this first loop under this last loop here. So what you want to do is you want to move this pearl pin over with your hook like this and move it aside so you can see the first loop or the pink that closest to the hook, to your hook, and then you want to pick it up like so. And before you close, you want to drop this second loop over. So drop it like so and then close. Okay, now we are going to do exactly the same to this side now. So if you're kind of confused this side, you can do it again. Grab a band, pull it through the first 3 loops. Again, you want to pick up this first pink under this hot pink in Ocean Pearl. So and what you want to do, move this 3rd loop with your hook like this until you see the pink that you want to pick up, and then you can pick it up. And before you close, you want to drop this 2nd loop over that pink that you just picked up like so, and then close. Okay, I hope you guys can keep up this far. And now you can grab the white. It's going to be this part here, this white. Pull it through everything, and then you just want to pick up the pink, which is the 2nd from your right and the 2nd from your left, and close. Okay, and now you can grab the pearl pink here. It's going to be this here. Pull it through everything and then just pick up the white one or the previous band that you looped before, and close like so. And then you want to grab another white. It's going to be this white here. Pull it through everything, and then you want to pick up these first 2 loops back onto your hook. Then you want to drop this pink over like so. And then you can do the exact same thing to this side, but you want to move this pink with your hook to the side until you see the white, and then you want to pick the white up and close like so. Okay, that's the first section. That's the first section for the celestial compass. So to start the new section, you can grab the blue here, grab a blue, pull it through everything, and just pick up the previous white that you looped before, which is going to be the first and the last loop, like so. And then you can loop the 3 fishtails on each side. Grab the first one, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. Grab 2 more, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close, and grab the last loop, the last band, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. Okay, now let's do the same thing to this side. Grab your first loop, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. Grab 2 more bands, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. And the last one, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. Okay, and now we can grab the pink again. It's going to be this inside, this pink here. Pull it through the first 9 loops, just leave this last one here. And then you want to pick up the center 4 loops, and the last loop, and then close. And then don't forget to rearrange this part. And now we can loop the other pink. Pull it through the first 6 loops until this point, and you want to pick up the center 2 loops, the previous pink and the outer one, and close. And then you want to rearrange these 2 loops to the outside. Like so. And now you want to grab the purple, this purple. You want to pull it through the first 3 loops. Again, we're going to pick up this first loop here, but under this last loop. So move this loop that kind of sticking out, move it to the right until you see the loop that you want to pick up. Then you can lift it up, and before you close, you want to drop this second loop over the hook and close. Okay, now let's do the same thing to the other side. Pull it through the first 3 loops, move this hot pink and ocean pearl to the right side, then pick up the closest pink, and then you want to drop this second loop over, like so, and close. Okay, I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying, and I hope I'm not saying it wrong. Anyway, next you want to grab the white, pull it through everything, and pick up just the pink, which is the second from the right loop and the second loop from your left, and close. Now you can grab the pearl pink, this pearl pink. I want to pull it through everything, and pick up just the whites, which is the first loop and the last loop. Okay, and then you want to grab another white, pull it through everything again, and then you want to pick up the first two loops, and now you can drop this pearl pink, just the second loop that kind of sticking out. You want to drop it over like so. Then you want to do the same thing to the side by moving this pearl pink to the right, and then pick up the white and close like so. And now you can obviously continue to make your own celestial compass long enough to the length that you want, but I'm going to close mine here so the video won't be long. So to close it off, you just need to grab another white and pull it through everything and just close. Then you can attach the C-clip. Okay, that's pretty much for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Christy's account on YouTube and Instagram. I'll put the link of Christy's accounts in my description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.